Hey guys, Seton HVAC. What are we looking at here? Why do I have this pipe laying here with two elbows? And why do I have a panduit gun and a panduit strap next to it? I wonder. Hey, good morning guys. Happy Saturday. So I've had some of you asking me, what is this panduit trick on getting a round pipe together? So I figured on this Saturday I'd show you guys real quick. We're heading to the fair today, so I don't have much time, but I want to show you real quick. So here it is. Alright guys, the old panduit trick here. So let's, I tried to mock this up the best I could in a real world experience here. So let's say you have a fixed pipe here and a fixed pipe here, and you need to make that last connection. You don't have any room to move these. They're totally rigid and there's no slack. How do you get that last piece of pipe in there? So let me show you. So first obviously you're going to measure your distance here from the inside of the crimp here to usually on these it's about 1.5 inches. So I got my piece of pipe here. Do not snap it together. Leave it apart, okay? So then what you're going to do, let's see if I can get this zoomed out a little further for you. There we go. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take your crimp side and you're going to put it together, but you're going to leave the other side off, okay? So then what you're going to do, hold on, I did that wrong. You're going to slide the non-crimp side on first. I think I got my screw screwed down too far there. Hold on a second. It's the only way I could mock it up, guys. Okay, so you got that on. There, just like that. So you're going to be able to slip it on because it's not together. You're able to push this side on a little further. See that? See how it's past the crimp there? So then what you're going to want to do is put your crimp side together, then you're able to slide that in. Okay? Now, this is going to be too hard to snap that together in most instances now. So then what you do is you take your trusty panduit strap and you slide it around the pipe like so. And you may want to be a little bit further this way with your panduit strap. Okay, get your panduit strap on there. Okay, then you're going to take your panduit gun. Now, these panduit straps aren't as nice as they used to be. They break a lot easier, but let's see if this is going to work. See how I can't quite get that snapped together? So then you take your panduit strap, slowly cinch it together. See how it's drawing the pipe together here? See that? Slowly, and then it break. Well, see, my panduit strap break, but you get the point. So then your panduit strap would be locked on there, and just take your snips and cut it off after. I'm all snapped together, and now your pipe's all together, and you're rocking and rolling. And that, like I said, that's really good in an instance where these are fixed and they won't, you can't shift them at all. So leave your pipe unsnapped, get your uncrimp side over past there to where it's clear of this. Then you push your crimps together, push them in, and then line it up to where it's going to be. Get your panduit strap on there, use your panduit gun, that'll draw it and click it together. Hopefully that made sense. If I can redo it if that didn't work for you, but let me know. But that's how you do it. That's the panduit trick for getting duct together.